Some say love, it is a river that runs the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to breathe. Some say love, it is all hunger and endless beginning. I say love, it is a flower and you in sunny sea. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes that chance. It's the one who won't be taken, who never seems to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is longing for the key and that's wrong. Just remember, in the winter, the bitter snow, lies the seed, the withered sunflower in the spring become the rose.